Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. As we have come to the end of 2024 and 2025 academic year, I thought to discuss with you what you should be doing during your summer vacation. This summer vacation will usually last between 45 to 60 days. So, what best you can do during this long vacation? If your parents have decided to take you to your grandparents' village, go with them. Here you can see your grandparents, your uncle, aunt, and their children. You can play with them. You can play games which you may not have played in your city life. You can also see rivers, farmlands, people working in a farm in the village. If at all, if you are not going anywhere and you are in your home itself, enroll yourself in any of your hobbies like swimming, painting, piano, and so on, which will help you in the personal development. Ask your parents to take you to any of the historical places like Charminar, Salarjung Museum, Ramajiro Film City, which will help you to increase your knowledge on history, science, and so on. In the summer vacation, you can do plantation as well. Plant trees, grow, water them regularly, which is of very important nowadays. During morning hours, you can do cycling. You can also do skipping. No doubt, this is usually done by girls, but skipping helps boys as well in increasing the height. Considering it is a summer season, ensure you play indoor games during the daytime. And if you want to play outdoor games, ensure you're playing outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, and so on only in the evening hours, as the temperature is too hot during the daytime. Considering it is a summer season, we will be getting fruits like mango, which is king of all fruits. Eat as much as you can because this is the only season where mango will be coming. The word mango is derived from Tamil word mange. If your parents have bought new books and stationery items before the end of the summer vacation, cover the books and keep them ready for the next academic year before the end of the summer vacation. These were some of the tips that I thought to share with you before the start of summer vacation. Hope this video was helpful for you. Happy holidays, children. Hope you will be having great time during your summer vacation. Do take care of your health. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.